I've got my Ipsy original. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. It may come tearing down here and closing the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. If you like unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty content, fashion, all kinds of stuff like that, it's totally free to subscribe here, so we invite you to do that. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Ipsy has changed this from their Glam Bag to their Ipsy Original. So gone is the BoxyCharm name. You have the Original, the, I think, Extra, and the Ultimate. So the Ultimate is going to be the icon box. So they have just changed their names a little bit. And this is now the Ipsy Original. So I love the design of the bag. First of all, it's so cozy looking. It's so soft. It has this cute little amethyst style pull. And then inside, it's that purple. And let's see, we have a little card. Sometimes it has information, sometimes it doesn't. This time it doesn't. So just information about other stuff that they've got going on. All right, so let's see what we've got. The first, I think this was my choice item. And this is by Estate. It is the Rose Rendezvous palette, eyeshadow palette. And it looks like it's a 9 pan palette. Right, so just a solid peach on the outside. And on the inside, those are some lovely colors. Very nice. Next, we have a Tuscan Grape Body Scrub by Skin & Co. And this is, how many ounces is this? 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. So it's not a bad size sample. We have a singular brush from Farrah, but it's a double-sided brush. Really pretty too. So that would be a full-size item. I don't know if they're considering the palette a full-size item. From Pixie, we have a glowy lip oil, and this is in minty. So I'm gonna guess it's got a mint scent or flavor. It is clear. And then our fifth item is the Ditto DITO Nourish and Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. This is 4 grams, and that is all it says on there. Doesn't say if there is a flavor. But it is 0.14 ounces. So it could be full size because these kinds of things can tend to be small. All right, so not a bad little selection of items. And yeah, I'm most excited about actually the body scrub. Seems pretty exciting to me in Tuscan Grape. So let me know your thoughts. Was this a good original bag? What do you think about their name change? And what do you think about the bag design? I think that's my favorite, actually, is this little bag. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.